Good afternoon everyone, welcome again to my channel and my kitchen. Today we are making Suran spicy curry. For those of you who have never heard about Suran, it is just like a kind of a yam. So it's called the elephant yam, and this is the frozen Suran that I'm using today. So it is a freshly cut and packed and frozen. So this is the one, and I just put it in warm water a little bit, so that way it just gets a little washed and also a little soft over here. And these are the ingredients, very simple. I have my curry masala powder, and the oil that we are going to use is the olive oil today, and I have the organic turmeric powder, red chili powder, and for our seasoning we are going to use mustard seeds, chana dal and urad dal. And let's get started. My pan is in medium heat right now, and I'm just going to pour the oil. Just about like 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of oil is enough, and let it warm a little bit before we add in our seasonings. Okay, my oil is hot, and I'm just going to pour all of that. So we can also start with the mustard seeds, let it sputter and then do it, but it doesn't matter for this recipe. But make sure that the stove is on medium heat. You don't want to overcook it or burn it. So you just have to be like a brown roasted. Let it roast a little bit. It is roasting, and it has a beautiful yellow and brown color here. Yep. And now I'm just going to add turmeric powder, maybe 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and some curry masala. You can also add it in the end, but I like to add it ahead of time, so it gives us a beautiful aroma and a great flavor to work on. Now here is the thing that you need to understand: when you do the red chili powder, it is going to spice up your nose, and it is going to make you sneeze a little bit. So you have to be very quick about adding your vegetables immediately. If not, it is going to burn your eyes and a lot of sneezing. So here we go. I'm just going to toss and turn here so it doesn't get burned. I say this as a curry, but basically it is like a Suran roast, and it is spicy too. So let's call this the spicy Suran roast. And this has been one of my favorite when I was growing up in India. I'm happy to share this recipe with all of you. And let it roast for like 5 minutes. Okay, what I forgot to mention in the ingredients is the most important ingredient of all, the salt, right? So I'm just going to take some salt, and you can use it as much as you need over here, and I'm just going to blend it a little bit. So at this point it's really very well roasted, and I don't like to add salt when it is in the beginning because it kind of gets into your Suran and it's really soggy. And now I'm going to add a little bit of oil just to grease it up and roast it. Now another way of making this Suran roast, either you can do with the pan or you can also oven roast it. You can just grease your parchment paper and then pour the whole thing, and then you can definitely do that. But I'm just concerned about the dal getting too burnt up because they are both different heat proportions, so we don't want to mix them all. And this is very easy, so it is quick also. We don't have to wait until the oven is done. So, and I'm just going to take a lid and close it at this point and let it cook a little bit. Okay. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'm just taking the lid off. And there is another tip for you if you want it really roasty, that like it has to break in your mouth. You can also add some basin. This is the chickpea flour. Just a sprinkle a little bit over here. Do not do it in the bottom, it's going to burn and give you a burnt aftertaste. But I'm just putting it on the top like this, smudging it in, and then try to mix it in so that way it doesn't go to the bottom. Oh, I love this taste. It's such a great aroma. I can't wait to eat it myself, the whole plate, but I have to feed my guests as well. and my kids love it too. This forms a great afternoon snack or even along with your rice and sabjis. Here we go. I'm going to turn off my heat a bit once the besan is a little more cooked. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer here. And here we go. Our spicy suran roast is ready.